are going to broadcast in 5, 4, 3, 2.
It is none other than, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Narendra Modi.
Survivor Series. And take a look here at the food.
If you smile, what the rock is cooking. You gotta be kidding me! What?
Kendo stick, which is legal.
I was thinking maybe Christian was looking for a place to hide, but I guess not.
That kendo stick.
Oh, this is not a good idea.
Oh, I don't like the looks of this right here.
It's bad enough. Go to the top rope for a superplex.
I don't like it.
Superplexing Christian out of the table.
Man.
I mean, but Randy Orton, he just sacrificed to do that. He took the drop.
Yes, yes, yes. Big Johnny did it. Big Johnny did it.
Watch out.
It's over. Oh boy. Hope they recycle.
Randy Orton is
The new WWE World Heavyweight Champion.
Oh my! You gotta be kidding me!
This place is rocking.
Wow!